Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, December 26, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you all had a great, wonderful Merry Christmas. I woke up today and I saw that silver was at $75.91 an ounce. So I had to jump on here and do a video about that. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. This coming year will be 20 years that I've been involved in the work from home space. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, with all that being said, like I said, I woke up this morning and silver was at $75.91 an ounce. And I'm sure by the time I'm done recording this and uploading this video, it's going to be higher. All right? Because we are just on an upward major bull run right now with silver. And the reason is because the demand for it is so high. All right, we're using silver in all of our electronics, electric vehicles, solar panels. The big thing now is all of the AI data centers that are going up that need silver. So the demand for silver is at an all-time high. And whenever you have a finite supply of something and you have a huge demand for it, it drives the prices up. So people are starting to wake up and realizing just how important silver is to have in your investment portfolio, right? Because it's a true protection against inflation. You're trading your fiat currency, which is backed by nothing, that gets devalued more and more every day because the Federal Reserve continues to print more and more money out of, backed by nothing. And you're exchanging that for something of real value, a tangible asset that you can hold in your hand that holds its value, that's going to continue to go up in value because of the supply and demand that we have right now, right? Supply cannot keep up with the demand. So, I mean, it's a win-win for people who are stacking silver right now. And for all of you who think that it's too late to get involved with silver, just get started, all right? Don't worry about it being too late. It's not too late. You're going to think that next year at this time when silver's up into the triple digits an ounce, right? Because the people that I watch and follow and listen to, the experts, the real experts, I'm not an expert, they're all predicting that silver's going to hit $100+ in the first quarter of 2026. And with the way it's going now, it's going to be early 2026, in my opinion. I'm not an expert, but just on the trends that I'm seeing. So this is a great time to get involved in stacking silver if you haven't been doing so. And if you are stacking silver, continue to stack it because, this is we haven't seen this. This is all new territory for us silver stackers and for the silver industry because the demand for it has never been so high, and it's just going to continue to go up. So it's a no-brainer to take your fiat currency and exchange it for something that has real value. That's going to hold its value, that's going to continue to go up in value. And I think there's 12 or 16 states in 2026 who are going to allow silver as currency again, right? Because we were taken off the gold standard back in 1971. And, ever since then, it's just been, our money is basically useless. Or not useless, but it's not worth what it used to be. So, well, I got people here at the shop today doing some work. So yeah, that's, I'm all about stacking silver. I think going into 2026, it's a no-brainer, because what happens is when silver breaks records like this, it builds momentum. And then the fear of missing out usually follows fast. And everybody is just looking for a way to protect and leverage their money, right? So this isn't speculation. This is real things. This is, physical silver is a way to do that. You want physical silver. You don't want, you don't want silver that is on paper, right? You want real physical silver. So I have somebody coming over here to ask me a question, I'm sure. And I'll be right with you. One moment.
Oh, I was just wondering where the well was.
It's straight back there. I'll be right with you. So sorry about that. We have somebody working on our well today. We're looking into doing some things here on our property, and they got to inspect it. So I'm going to go and catch up with this gentleman. But that's what I'm doing, and that's why I'm giving away a free silver bar. Our company's giving away a free silver bar just for checking us out and to help you kickstart your silver stacking journey. Go to freesilverbar.com. I'll leave a link down below this video so you can check it out, and reach out to me if you have any questions. So, you know what? This is a warning right here. $75, right? Check the link out, get your free silver bar, and next year at this time you're going to be happy you did. All right. So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.